Mastering Kitchen English, Slice the Vegetables, Explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common phrase that you'll often hear in cooking-related conversations, especially when preparing meals: slice the vegetables. Understanding this simple phrase can significantly enhance your English language skills, particularly if you're keen on cooking or following English recipes. So, let's get chopping into the details. Firstly, let's break down the verb slice. To slice means to cut something, typically food, into thin, flat pieces using a sharp knife or a slicer. It's a basic cooking technique that is essential in food preparation. The key here is the thinness and flatness of the pieces, distinguishing slicing from other cutting methods like chopping or dicing. Now, onto vegetables. Vegetables are parts of plants that are consumed by humans as food. This category includes a wide range of plant parts, from roots like carrots and potatoes, stems like celery, leaves like spinach, and even fruits often considered veggies, like tomatoes and bell peppers. Each type of vegetable may require a slightly different approach when slicing, depending on its texture and shape. When someone says, "slice the vegetables," they're instructing you to prepare the vegetables by cutting them into slices. This involves a few steps. 1. Washing the vegetables to ensure they are clean. 2. Peeling the vegetables if their skin is not edible or desirable in the recipe. 3. Using a sharp knife and a cutting board to carefully cut the vegetables into slices. The thickness of the slices often depends on the recipe or personal preference. Remember, safety is paramount. Keep your fingers away from the blade and use a steady surface to avoid accidents. Slicing vegetables can serve several purposes. It increases the surface area of the vegetable, allowing it to cook faster and more evenly. Sliced vegetables are often used in salads, stir-fries, and as toppings for various dishes, adding texture and flavor. It's also about the aesthetic of the dish. Uniform slices can make a dish more visually appealing. We hope this video sheds some light on the simple yet crucial kitchen command: slice the vegetables. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or just brushing up on your English cooking vocabulary, knowing how to slice vegetables properly is a skill that will serve you well. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't shy away from using this new phrase and technique in your cooking adventures. Thank you for watching, and happy slicing!